Google just spent $40 billion on Claude because they're genuinely afraid of losing the AI race. This is AI Wire Daily. Google committed up to $40 billion to Anthropic, the single largest AI investment ever made. They already owned 14%. Now they're doubling down on a company they don't control, which tells you something crucial. Frontier AI isn't a nice-to-have anymore. It's existential. If you're Google and you let Anthropic slip to OpenAI or China, you're not just losing a product line, you're losing the decade. The real story isn't the money. It's that Google doesn't trust their own in-house AI to stay competitive, and they're willing to pay like it. DeepSeek just launched a new flagship model optimized for Huawei chips, not NVIDIA. This is exactly what Silicon Valley feared. China isn't trying to copy the American AI stack, they're building parallel infrastructure from the ground up. Huawei chips, DeepSeek models, Chinese training data. The blockade strategy backfired. By cutting off access to US hardware, America forced China to accelerate their independence, and now they're shipping models that work on their own silicon. In 5 years, the world splits into two AI ecosystems. That's not speculation anymore. That's the roadmap. OpenAI shipped GPT 5.5 with a massive emphasis on coding, research, and autonomous computer use. The timing is deliberate. They're racing to justify why their model should be your foundation when Anthropic and DeepSeek are nipping at every angle. The real move was releasing the detailed prompting guide alongside it, basically saying, get building on this now before the window closes. GPT 5.5 is solid, but it's not revolutionary. It's a speed play. OpenAI is betting on network effects and developer lock-in before the competition catches up. Anthropic dropped Claude Opus latest and Claude Design simultaneously, a new model with stronger coding and agentic capabilities, plus a product that lets you co-create with Claude directly. They're shipping at escape velocity right now because they have to. Google just wrote the biggest check in AI history, and everyone's watching, whether it was smart or desperate. Opus latest is genuinely good at multi-step reasoning and vision tasks, but Claude Design is the play that matters. It's turning Claude from a tool into a design partner. That's the narrative shift Anthropic needs to justify a $40 billion valuation. Researchers just built a brain-inspired chip using modified hafnium oxide that cuts AI energy consumption by 70%. This matters because AI data centers are about to consume 10% of US electricity. We're hitting a wall where scaling compute just burns the grid. This nanoelectronic approach mimics how biological neurons process and store information at the same time, which is elegant and could be foundational. Energy efficiency is the constraint nobody talks about, but it's the one that actually decides who wins. A 70% efficiency gain changes everything about what's computationally possible. That's the AI news. Subscribe, this stuff moves fast.